What if I told you that right now, ordinary people are making money online using AI, even while they sleep? Not by luck, not by scams, but by using AI tools the smart way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money online with AI, even if you're a beginner, have no skills, and zero experience. These are real methods that are working in 2026. Watch till the end, because the last method is the fastest to start. AI has completely changed online income. Tasks that once took weeks now take minutes. Writing, designing, editing, marketing. AI can do it all. The people who understand this are already ahead. Let's start with the easiest method. First is AI content creation. You don't need to show your face. AI writes scripts, creates voiceovers, edits videos, and even generates thumbnails. People are running YouTube automation channels, TikTok pages, and Shorts channels using AI. Niches like motivation, facts, horror stories, finance, and AI news are exploding. Monetization comes from ads, affiliates, and brand deals. Many beginners earn their first dollars within weeks. Second is AI freelancing. Businesses want results, not effort. You can use AI to offer services like blog writing, social media posts, logo design, video scripts, and chatbots. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients paying $20 to $100 per task. One client can turn into monthly income. Third is AI affiliate marketing. AI writes SEO articles, product reviews, email campaigns, and social media captions. You promote software, tools, or digital products. Once content ranks or goes viral, income becomes passive. This is one of the smartest long-term AI income methods. Fourth is AI print on demand. AI generates designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and posters. You upload them to print-on-demand platforms. No inventory, no shipping. Every sale means profit. AI designs are selling daily. Fifth is AI automation for small businesses. Local businesses need help replying to customers, booking appointments, and sending messages. AI can automate everything. You can charge businesses monthly fees. Just a few clients can replace a full-time job. Sixth is selling AI prompts and digital products. People pay for prompts, templates, Notion systems, ebooks, and checklists that save time. AI helps you create these products fast. One good digital product can sell again and again. Seventh is AI courses and coaching. If you learn one AI skill, you can teach it. AI helps you create lessons, slides, scripts, and marketing. Knowledge plus AI equals scalable income. Here's the truth. AI is not magic. It rewards action. People who start today will win. People who wait will struggle. Pick one method, focus for 30 days, and stay consistent. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment AI. Your future self will thank you.